Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can turn off or turn on the trending search feature on Google search in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, head over to google.com or Google search inside your browser, for example, Chrome or any other web browser. And what you want to do here on google.com is click into settings in the bottom right corner. Next, choose search settings from that drop-down menu here. After that, navigate to the left sidebar here in your search settings and choose other settings. Here from that menu, navigate to desktop, and at the very bottom you will see this option, auto complete with trending searches, which is currently disabled for me, so you can enable it back here or turn it off, and that's it guys. So that will disable these trending searches whenever you click into that search bar here on google.com and see these trending topics listed here to search for. So that's how you turn these off in 2026 guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.